In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the total hours worked in Google Sheets on a desktop, focusing on how to handle start and end times accurately and sum them up properly. This could be particularly handy if you're tracking hours for a project, a team, or just doing some personal time tracking. To start off, let's set up your Google Sheet in a simple yet effective layout. You'll want to have your data organized by columns. Begin by setting up column A for your dates, column B for your start times, column C for your end times, and finally, column D for the hours worked each day. This structured approach will make it easier to input and calculate the necessary data. Now, let's dive into calculating the daily hours worked. To accomplish this, you need to subtract the start time from the end time. So, in cell D2, which represents the first row, input the formula XC2, B2. This formula straightforwardly subtracts the start time from the end time, providing you with the duration for the day. Occasionally, you may have situations where employees or yourself may work past midnight, meaning the end time is technically on the next day. In such cases, you'll want to use this formula instead. XIF C2, B2, C2 plus 1, B2, C2, B2. This version intelligently factors in overnight shifts by adding 1 to the end time whenever it rolls past midnight, ensuring the calculation remains accurate. Once you have your daily hours calculated for each day, it's time to sum them up over the desired period. Suppose your hours worked values are spread from D2 to D8. To find the total, simply employ the formula SUM D2 D8. This function adds up all the daily hours, giving you a sum total. It's crucial to format the total hours correctly, ensuring they display in an understandable manner, especially if they exceed 24 hours, which can often be the case in aggregated totals. Click on the cell where you've calculated the sum, navigate to the menu, and choose Format, then Number, and select Custom Number Format. In the box that appears, type MSS. This specific format ensures that your total hours are comprehensively displayed, showing all hours, even when they venture beyond the conventional 24-hour day. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've not only calculated daily hours worked for different shifts, including those extending past midnight, but you've also mastered summing up those hours effectively and formatting them for clear visibility. This will surely streamline your time tracking, allowing for more accurate project management or daily time assessments. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on using Google Sheets to its full potential.